Hey guys, welcome back to Investing with Chris. My name is Chris, and today we're going to be talking about Tilray stock. Now, this cannabis company has been very much requested by all of you, and I haven't done a real follow-up video for Tilray since their merger. So let's talk about what has been going on since they finally merged, and what is the future growth potentials for Tilray. There is a lot of great information that I will be updating you guys on regards to price, regards to analysis, regards to future growth, regards to types of competition, and what's going on with President Biden and them accepting cannabis inside the United States. We're going to be talking about all of that into this video, and as always, I try to give you guys the most up-to-date information that I possibly can to make sure you guys are always up to date. If there's something you like and do enjoy, please remember to give me a big thumbs up. It does help me out. So without further ado, guys, let's talk about Tilray. So this past week, President Biden announced his $6 trillion budget plan, where he's going to be telling us all the expenses and how he's going to use his money for the rest of the year and what's going to be the future potentials for his budget, moving forward. Now, one of the biggest concerns that I have already regards to not just Tilray, but through the whole cannabis industry is that he did not mention not one single thing about him accepting cannabis or mention marijuana at all. Okay, he did say that he's just going to be spending more money on certain areas to help the environment, to help grow, to help potential growth for the United States, but he did not mention anything in regards to cannabis, accepting cannabis, so that does raise some sort of questions. Now, if you guys do go to Tilray's official website, guys, you will automatically see that there are some new features. Obviously, they did merge with Alfria. So one of the biggest articles that you automatically are going to see is that Tilray and Alfria announced closing of transaction that creates the new Tilray, a global cannabis leader. Now, this new company is projected to make $81 million every year pre-tax. Now, one of the biggest things that is going to benefit this new Tilray company is the amount of new names and new brands are going to be incorporated. Now, obviously, the Alfria brand is going to be incorporated into the Tilray brand, and you see all these brand new brands that are basically into this company. Now, Tilray, guys, has been around for many, many years. They are a Canada cannabis-based company. Now, they have been giving out marijuana products or cannabis products into pharmaceuticals, clinics, hospitals for many, many years. Now, what this does is going to basically expand the horizon, expand their portfolio just quite a bit. And if that does happen, guys, and if it does bring in $81 million of revenue each and every year, or maybe even more, that could be very, very impactful for this particular company. Now, there are some questions and there are some big competitors. Now, this one big news that just came out today, May 31st, Israeli Medical Innovation. Now, they announced that they will be releasing a brand new product with an inhaler with cannabis product inside. Now, this is supposed to be the first of its kind, and they are rumored to be partnering up with Canada cannabis-based company TLRY. Now, this company is going to really benefit from Israeli making this inhaler with a cannabis product. Other companies that are rumored to benefit from this is Merrick, Sage Therapeutics, Curaleaf, and obviously Canopy Growth. So you see that there is some competition into the cannabis industry. There are many different Canada cannabis-based companies over there in Canada. So Tilray is going to have his hands full. But does that really affect the price moving forward for Tilray? Tilray took some of TLRY. Right now, at the moment of the video, they're trading for $16.67. You can see that in the past month, they finished their merger around May 3rd, May 4th, but they really started trading around May 7th. Since May 7th, there has been so much volatility since $16.68, dropping down to a low of $13.59, then hitting a new high of around $18.41, okay? And has been dipping down. There are some analysts and investors that do predict that Tilray will probably reach $25 by the end of the year, while many people are also even more optimistic that they might reach $32. Now, I'm not saying they won't reach that, but I'm just saying it's a very long way to go. They currently have a market cap of $7.4 billion, and just look at the beta. Look how much volatility Tilray actually brings in. 2.62. And then obviously a lot of analysts do consider this company as an overvalued right now. But if it does reach $25 or $32, like many analysts say, it does give them a slap in the mouth. Because right now, if it does reach $25, that is almost a 40% increase within the next 6 months. Okay, so your investment will reach a 40% return within the next 6 months. Now, that is a hard pill to swallow because this company has already reached 140% returns just this year. Now, I'm not saying Tilray won't reach those levels. I'm just saying there is a lot of hurdles for Tilray in order to reach those levels. Number one, they have to really limit how much competition that they have. They really have to start growing and expanding just a little bit more. And once they report their earnings in the next couple months, they really have to wow us investors. Obviously, we do expect them to reach 81 million each and every year. So anything below what we are expecting is going to be a very bad play and a very bad sign for Tilray investors, and we will expect a huge sell-off. Now, what could probably be a good price point in order to reach a good returns for Tilray? What could probably be a good price point to jump in and buy, and what could be expect for the rest of the year? Now, we do have to get wild for the earnings. We will see 2 more earnings, okay? Because Tilray just reported the earnings, but that was pre-merger. So if they do report the earnings, 1 full 3 months quarter with Afraid already integrated, it could be very impactful. So if they do wow us and beat expectations, we could see automatically the $16.67 could easily reach and break $20. If it doesn't wow us and it doesn't meet our expectations, or at least meets borderline numbers, we could expect Tilray to drop way below $12, maybe even $10, okay? So now, this has a lot of questions. It is going to be very volatile. The Canada cannabis-based company is still a growing industry, and we are really expecting Biden to integrate the cannabis industry inside the United States. Yes, many states have already accepted marijuana into their states, but not all of them. We want all of the United States to accept marijuana, and that could be very, very powerful for Tilray as a company. Now, the price may not reflect what the company is doing right now, because this is all speculation. We are expecting so many things from this company, but can they really follow through? That's the big question. If they follow through, Tilray could be a very, very good buy at $16.67 at these levels. Please expect a lot of volatility and dropping down to $13.18 throughout the month until we see some sort of revenue and earnings. But now, if there is a lot of FUD going around, or if there is a lot of bad things or bad news regards to the whole cannabis industry and it drops below $13, I could pretty much buy the dip, and that's my personal opinion. Remember, not a financial advisor. Am I investing into Tilray? Yes, I do hope it does break $25, even $32. I'm pretty much optimistic that the United States will merge in with Canada-based companies and have Canada products inside all throughout the United States, and that could be very impactful for one of the biggest companies based off of market cap and based off of revenue. So that's my opinion on Tilray, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Let me know if you guys have any questions in regards to Tilray. If you guys are investing into Tilray, let me know down in the comment section. If you guys love Tilray and do believe in Tilray long term, hit that like button. It does support the channel. I do talk about stocks and cryptocurrency. If there's something like you do enjoy and want to see more and more content, hit that subscribe button as well. Right, guys, so thank you all for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Salutes to you all. Have a great day, and